so much, Ma'am Trisha. Mabuhay og madayong. My name is Jenny. I'm actually one of your hosts in this nature and culture discovery experience. So for the next part of the class, I'm going to introduce you to two of our eclectus parrots. So something very interesting about these two birds over here is that iba po ang kulay ng mga babae at iba po ang kulay ng mga lalaki. Now, I'd like to ask everyone this morning, between these two birds over here, which do you think is a girl? Is it the green one or the red one?
Green!
Naku po, iba po yung mga sagot na ganito na lang para klaro. For those of you who think that the green one is the girl, kindly raise your hand para makita ko. Who among you here thinks that the green one is the girl? Ay, ang dami ng taas ng kamay. Ang dami rin. Mali. Because actually, in the Eclectus parrot family, the green ones are the boys and the red ones are the girls. So this one perched over my shoulder is actually Ruby, our red Eclectus parrot. While over there with Kuya Roy naman is Midori,
Mama,
our green
kakita na ko.
Eclectus parrot.
Diba, kakita
Now, even
na,
more
sa mama na,
interesting
kakita
about
sa
these two
YouTube.
birds over here is
Siya na.
that